Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook shortcut bar not showing or missing. So on the bottom of my screen, you guys can see home, watch, marketplace, profile, notification menu. So in your screen, let's say all of this is not showing up, only some of it is showing up. Then that means your shortcut bar of something is missing, alright? And I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can add those. First step, you want to click on menu at the side of your screen on the bottom. Once you click on menu, it's going to bring you over here and click on the setting icon at the top of your screen. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you over here. Over here under the preference section, you can see shortcuts. If you don't see shortcuts, at the top you can see the search icon. You can click on it and you can search for shortcuts over here, alright? But on my case, I see it, so I'm going to click on it over here and click on shortcut bar. Now over here, whichever thing you want, make sure it's unpinned. So let's say I do not want Facebook Marketplace. I can click on pinned right beside Facebook Marketplace, click on hide. As you guys can see, Facebook Marketplace from the bottom has been removed over here. That has been gone, it is hidden. Now remember, you can only add 6 shortcuts over here at a time. You cannot add every single shortcut you see over here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 shortcuts, but you cannot add every single one, alright? You can only add 6 shortcuts over here at a time. So those shortcuts which you do not need, make sure you hide it. Let's say I don't need to see the one which is called over here watch. What I can do is click on auto on watch, click on hide. Now once watch is hidden, now I have place for adding one more shortcut. So let's say I want it to be groups. I can click on auto right beside group and click on pin. As you guys can see, group is gonna appear over here just like this. So just like this, you can play around and you can choose whichever shortcut you want over here to be over here, alright? So I'm just gonna, put it back to the normal one. I want watch, I'm gonna pin watch, and I want marketplace, I'm gonna pin marketplace. So yeah, that's basically how this thing is gonna work.